every second, every minute. Man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you and you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet for your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you want you want. Oh, I got this. Put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you want you want. Oh, I got this. Put it in the song, alright.
Taking notes on my keyboard, what you bothering me for? There's a room for what you following me for? Say the fucking sing along. So girl, what you singing for? 'Cause you blow like a seaford. My seaford, money, all rolling. Big hot keys in the trash, we rolling. Three tie, two-time glass, with a handful of girls, and they all so foreign. Bring some poison, rainbow sun. Nice handshake, first light from mine. All right, thanks, first light from mine. They loving the crew, they loving the crew, they loving the crew. Oh, they loving the crew, oh, they loving the crew, they loving the crew. They loving the crew, they loving the crew. Taking notes on my keyboard, what you bothering me for? There's a room full of niggas, what you following me for? Say the fucking sing along. So girl, what you singing for? 'Cause you blow like a seaford. My seaford. Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like the horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time for waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it, that's on nothing. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. With that silence is so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, say our time for making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't let you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone without you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've had it, that's all that take you there. Take you, show you something, give you more than words. We've had it, that's all that take you there. Take you, show you something, give you more than words. We've had it, that's all that take you there. Take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, say our time for making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't let you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone without you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've had it, that's all that take you there. Take you, show you something, give you more than words. We've had it, that's all that take you there. Take you there. Please be don't just be nothing you need that. I want you to give it to me, yeah. Please be don't just be nothing you need that. I want you to give it to me,
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in the dark,
You get the
trust
rhythm
it, I mean,
off right. Ooh, high styles, every shoe, every color. Now when you're famous, he can be kind of fine. And yes, ayina jonga isikubheki sakho siselapha. It's really you, but no one ever discovered. Who would have thought that a girl like me, who does a lot of superstars, you get the best of both worlds. Give it slow, then you walk away. You need to go. But it's a bit cloudy outside. Yeah, you got a little broken investigate for China. Come on, yeah. This is what I'm wearing. Iyanuka apha ngaseva le nto, so it looks amaqatha. I don't know. So it's like a bit amaqatha. But yeah, I'm not in the mood to like dress up because I'm sick and I'm very exhausted because I'm dehydrated. So energy is on zero. I was like, this is the easiest thing I could throw on. I'm not even wearing a bra. I'm not even wearing a bra. That's how much energy ngakhona. So I'm taking over to see the doctor because she's also not feeling well. Her body has been heating up, so we're going to the doctor. Yesterday we both stayed at home because we were both sick. And then today I have to take her to the doctor. Now I went to the doctor on Wednesday. And Shanjera is Friday, so I'm taking her to the doctor now. And yeah, this nendo yokula so it make one. I don't know. But yeah, let's go before it's late. Oh, guys, driving is ganyanj. No photo. Oh, photo. It's so hot. And Celine. Sana. Are you gonna help? Okay. Happiest girl emhlabeni. The day I discovered that Woolworths has chocolate croissant, which means I don't have to drive all the way to a Plato. I don't have to drive all the way to Plato. I can just go to any Woolworths. They have chocolate croissants. Because I also, as chocolate croissants, you can't say, what's that place? Vovotello has them as well, and they're nice napayana. And then this one time I saw, but they also have them at Tokyo Zero and Payana. Yo. It wasn't fresh. I wasn't happy. You don't understand. What a waste of my money. So at least now I know if I don't go to Plato, yeah, for Votello, if not for Votello, then I can easily get them at Woolworths. So yeah. And they're just as good as I thought Woolworths. Obviously, I'm also having a butterscotch latte, and I got a hot chocolate for Owit. Owit isn't feeling well. We just came back from a doctor's appointment yesterday, and my angel's really not feeling well. Oh. The wind is so bad, guys. It is so bad. This is my first meal of the day, and and it's almost 1. Imagine the kid sweet for my first meal of the day. That is so bad. Have something wrong. Oh, it's very hot. I forgot to buy myself water. And a chocolate and needs now. Oh my goodness. awuzokwazi uyilinda ibande kaloku, you must have it. Hot chocolate. You want a bit of sugar? Hamba boyifaka pha. It's fine. Izawuchitheka pha uthi lena. Ngathi ngiyiste imali yami ngokuthenga i-hot chocolate wena. Let me finish eating so that we can go. Talk to you guys later.
Loving never 50-50. It's what I got from you.
Good morning, my loves. Welcome to a new vlog. Welcome to a new vlog. I'm so sorry that I'm only greeting you guys now. I know, but I started my vlog without even greeting. I'm sorry. Welcome to a new vlog. For those that are new, I am lighting. No, I think let me do this like another time. Right now it's like 6:15 in the morning. It's a Saturday. And I'm getting ready to go for a walk. So the thing is, I haven't been feeling well this week. I think I mentioned it. I'm not sure. I got a stomach bacteria infection. And the medication I'm on antibiotics and probiotics as well. And some hydrating medication. Because it made me dehydrated. Like it drained the life out of me. I'm not allowed to exercise. So I haven't been to the gym, walking or running this whole week. And I feel like I'm losing my mind. Last night, I laid on my couch after we had Bible study with Rory Sang last night. Thank you, God, for community. I told myself, but you know what? Like, I'm feeling down. I'm not in the mood to join a Bible study. So I saw her online that I'm not in the mood, like I'm feeling so down. There are days like that sometimes your faith gets tested like that. Just because you're a believer or you're a Christian, it doesn't mean that sometimes you are going to have lows. So I was having one of those last night, and then Osimi, one composer by my friend. Yeah, and I think I wrote his status SCT, I'm down bad. I think that's what she commented on. I wrote his status on WhatsApp, yo, I'm down bad. Or comment up about my friend Yakuba a Bible study. Thank you, God, for community. I was like, so I told her about I had a power cut. We didn't have electricity, but I had data. And my power bank was charged. But I think I lied and said to her, my battery's about to die, so I can't really join. It was a lie. The devil works in weird ways, but God works in wonderful ways. So I lied. Ndaqombe uzanjonga usimo ba angenanga phaya. Ndayongena. Ngoba khenza ngena kancinci mphinde ndiphume. Xa ndingena, hey, wandithi catch. Rory Sang, when did he catch? Double hooked. And I'm so glad that I was reminded to join a Bible study. I'm so glad that I'm can't get these pickies and Pelendi join it because I needed it. Oh, I needed it. I cried so much. I needed la Bible study. This is one thing I love about Rory Sang is that I don't want to say she's brutal, but unendlela man yokufumana, if I can say that. Unendlela yokufumana uRory Sang. she doesn't beat around the bush. She aims for you straight and uza kuchana. It's very rare banga. Then it's not meant for you, but uza kuchana, the message will hit you. So yeah, I needed it so much. So I laid on my couch in the dark because we had power cut from 6 until like 8:30. In the dark, after Bible study in Dalila, because I'm a crybaby. We all that know that. And I was just thinking, oh man, like I'm at a point where I think this happens all the time. Like when I get back on YouTube, I'm like, do I really want to share my life? I don't want to. I love creating content. I love it. I don't want to lie. I love it. Even if I'm not vlogging for YouTube, I'm always taking like tiny videos for my WhatsApp or Instagram stories. So I love sharing my life. Okay, creating content. I don't know. But I think it gives me anxiety knowing that it's online. And it's not going to disappear after 24 hours. These stories I love because after 24 hours they disappear. I can easily delete them whenever I feel like I delete. Posting on Instagram, feed, YouTube, it's like it's there. And I can go and delete it, but after editing and all that, why do you want to delete it? But and yes, I don't know. I don't know if it's imposter syndrome. I don't think it's imposter syndrome. I don't know what it is. But I'm anxious after posting. So I was just like, I want to deactivate all my social media. Like, is it impossible to live life without social media? Like, I want to delete all of my social medias. Obviously, I'm going to have to leave WhatsApp because I'm for work as well. But I'm just like, man, I'm exhausted. Like, honestly, I'm exhausted. Urori sang ebe tandaza, and she said something about when you've reached the end of yourself. And I feel like I've reached the end of myself, and I'm just exhausted. Manda, baby, before I start crying, I don't want to cry. Let me go. But yeah, man, I've reached the end of myself, but I've surrendered it all to God. And I am trusting God. I've allowed him to take over from here. I've allowed him to take over from here. And yes, if you sound sabaka. So my prayer is just starve me of worldly desires and just fill me up with your spirit. Fill me up with your presence and just lead me and guide me. Give me strength to live in your will and in your ways. Yeah, because I've reached the end of myself. Let me go. And yeah, I'm talking guys, but let me go because now it's 6:20. And I wanted to catch the sunrise, but I think it's already because it's quite bright now. But let me go, guys. I'm gonna play some music and then the next client at also last night I took 2 clients. When they make cover birthday in your childhood friend. I'm sick. I'm not supposed to take clients. And guys, after Denze Bonaboy 2, the third one that I was also supposed to do, it's supposed to be installing so I couldn't. So Denze 2, thanks God. Because after like 2, I was exhausted. I felt sick. Pills it all came back. So I'm not supposed to be working, but stubborn. I don't know what resting means. I still struggle with rest or resting. So because when you're surrounded by people who always like hi, you can't rest, you need money. Hi, sebenza uzawuphinda ureste. You become that now feels like whenever you rest, then you're wasting time. So I always say I appreciate people that allow me to rest without making me feel judged. Like, can I rest? Allow me to rest. So most of the time I struggle to allow myself to rest because I always feel like, yo, I'm wasting time. I'm supposed to be making money. I'm supposed to be doing this and all of that. I think that happens also when you have a lot of responsibilities. You always feel like you're supposed to always be on the go. And sometimes you just need to you need to give yourself some time. Let me go. I'm running out of air or breath because I'm talking too much and I don't have that much energy. Okay, I'm out to I have a client at 8:30. So I need to be back at least by 7:30 so that I can rest a little, have breakfast, take my medication, and then is like, you're just thinking about it is exhausting me right now, but it has to be done. Let me go. Chat later, guys. Let me look for my music. This doesn't fall.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel my joy, make him lick red like a tomato. If you're not dead, then he call my dogs. No go bamboo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God
just that. My God is good, and I will praise forever. My God is good. Oops, yeah, put it again. I'm back from my walk. Loved it. It was beautiful. Managed to catch the sunrise. Stunning. Oh, it was such a beautiful morning. Hey, wena ungabethi imoto yami ndikujongile. Hey, kanti abelungu banjani? Beautiful morning. Absolutely beautiful. Loved every second minute of it. What was I gonna say again? And yes, but after my walk, I went to I spent I spent 30 minutes just sitting by the beach and just taking in the fresh air and just praying and just enjoying my gospel. Gee, kamnandi. So I went to Bootlegger for coffee. I got myself a cappuccino. I don't have much time, so I couldn't have breakfast. And have a breakfast and experience the whole place because I'm rushing. So I just ordered a cappuccino. Dathatha isiphi yokuqala, dathatha isibindi, mani iyabanda lento. Like iyabanda, guys, I don't understand. Iyabanda. And akhona la nto bandi-ode ndahamba then phinde ndibenzoyithatha. I sat there and waited for my cappuccino. Iyabanda. Uzuqonda, I only took two sips, and then I'm gonna warm it up when I get home because I wasn't in the mood to go back and ask them to warm it up for me. So I just decided I'm gonna warm it up. Even though I was at the door, but I was like, okay, I'm not in the mood, so I'm gonna warm it up at home. And he said lang. Had 2 sips and I was like, I can't have cold coffee. I don't like cold coffee. So it was just like, I'm gonna warm it up at home. Also, I've had better cappuccinos. This is not the best. And there's no but I'm gonna give them a second chance. But I'm not impressed. I'm really not impressed, but it's fine. It's okay. I'll just warm it up when I get home. Umbane bemkile ke apha when I got here, but ubuyile ngoku. And I'm worried because chances are when I get home, mhlambi kungone hamba apha endlini. And I have a client for 8:30. So there's a possibility bandizawufika umbane umkile. I don't know. I'm hoping awambanga. Oh guys, it makes me so sad that I was exercise because today I was supposed to go to a race, a Kariaka or something like that. I don't know you pronounce it. There's a race payana. went. I was gonna join him and his other friend, but because now I'm sick, I couldn't. Also ebendisayine yomin ebefuna siye kwenye into yasejimini yakhe. They have like activities happening today. We were supposed to go there, but I can't since I can't exercise. So it's a bummer, man. I would have loved to exercise. I would have loved to be part of Lando because I love exercising, I love working out, but now I can't. Ndibukele abanye abantwana that are vlogging. I think they're here for the park run, but by late because they got the park run. So I think they're late. Shape like they're very late. Okay, girls, there's no little piece. Oh, they went to get coffee first. That's why they're late. There's no little piece. They look gorgeous. Hair looks nice and late. Late. Shame. One thing about running, whether it's a park run or a race or a run, long run, You can't be late. If they say 6 a.m., you must be there 4:45 or 5:30. You must be there. Otherwise, uyawufika sekubalekiwe, and ke ngoku if ufike sekubalekiwe, then it's just like, ndizaba sathini mna. You need to get njengoba befika bona, there's about 3 guys. It says buya from the run, so that's like late. And the park runs start at 7:30. It's already past 8, so bazadibana nabantu sebebuya bonke, naba bayi-3 sebebuyini. Sign up ke for as park runs, but I haven't been able to join none. But get from next week I'll be back, because Monday is my last day of the treatment, and then Tuesday we're back, honey, we're back. Yeah, I feel way better than what I felt like earlier on. There has been the emotional. I was a bit emotional in the morning, but now I feel much better. No, sometimes it's not that you're sad, you just really need to just take a walk, get some fresh air, and it's about right. Oh guys, that feeling that you get when you're on the road and you're running and you're sweating and you're fighting for your life, but then I'm gonna do this, I can do this. You're like challenging yourself. Listen, I can do this. Oh guys, running is so fun. I never thought I'd say this word, but running is so fun. Oh, I love it so much. And running has actually amazing people. Like, it has a nice community. Abantu bakwa running baya fun. That's why abantu bethanda ukuthi bana kuyajola kwa running, because people are friendly. And yazi icala lojola, but I know that people are friendly kwa running. Uyakwazi ukuthi uzibalekele kuveske uthi xa strange, but come on, let's go, don't slow down, let's run. Nibaleke nani nihleke kuba kumnandi balava. That's why abantu bephela bejola. Yeah guys, I'm blabbing. Let me go. We'll chat later. I don't have much to do today. The next client says 2, and then I'll clean and clean and relax. That's it. I'm not going anywhere, not doing anything. So since I'll let's chat later.
Is there anything too hard for the Lord? Is there anything too difficult for Him?
I have cash coming for the sisters on the notice. I don't have money on me. I'm sorry. Is there anything too difficult for Him? My God can do anything. It shall be raised, yes we believe. Things are possible.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but everything go more. Hold you for life. So tight, coming closer. So tight, coming closer.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. But said, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you're not a friend of me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer. Me, I no go take shit. Vibe killer. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I play your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill. You nothing kill. You nothing kill my vibe. I see you watching my stories. I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my movements. This bad bitch bad every day. I know they look at your face. Bad man bad every day. Get on your knees and pray. Do you regain your faith? Bad killer, every somebody that don't take my energy. I'm no bad killer. In my past, don't say I be my healer. Everything I desire, I go receive my rhythm. Flow like a river. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para. I'm a mind digger. I go just stay. Follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill. You nothing kill. You nothing kill my vibe. You see my bitch, say she act bad. Anytime I knock with that. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say it. My mind, and my body. My body says it. My mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. Get you running my
So
space.
this side, this is how it looks. I'm gonna put photos over there.
Hey guys, hey dolls. It is still Saturday and I still look like a potato. I went outside to go and fetch someone's wig, and I saw Elio's where they have like a DJ outside. And umculo uthi kamnandi njani. Yo, uthi kamnandi njani umculo. And I was just thinking to myself, oh, I'd love to go chill payana, but I don't know what's happening to me lately. Ndiyayonqena i-solo date. I don't know why. But lately, every time I think of going outside and I'm like, ndizawuhlala ndoda. I'm like, nah, I'm not doing that. Let me rather just stay at home. Andiyazi kwenzeka ntoni. Andiyazi nyamba kwenzeka ntoni. So I'm not gonna go. I'm gonna stay at home. I'm preparing my wig for church, but I'm gonna install it now. I'm gonna install it now because I'm not gonna have time to install Sasa for. And then after that, I need to edit this vlog so that I can post it tomorrow. I also remember that the other reason why I'm not going to Leo's is because I remembered that I need to have a vlog up tomorrow. So I'm like, actually, girl, stay at home, sweetie pie, stay at home and just rest, edit, also post the content tomorrow. Because angikwazi uthi ndisithi I'm back and then ndiphinde kwamna ngoku ndingabi na content. It's not gonna be cute, so just gonna stay at home. But the main reason that I'm not going outside is because I don't want to go alone. I'm really not in the mood for a solo date. Dini was a solo date. I love them, but I'm tired. I'm tired, man. So yeah, guys, I doubt I'm gonna vlog anything else from here. I think this is the end of our vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, should I vlog tomorrow as well? I think let me vlog tomorrow as well, because tomorrow I'm gonna go to the car wash and I'm thinking of also going on a solo date. The same solo date. And you're gonna right now tomorrow I have no choice. I'm gonna go on a solo date because Klaimodem Ivasa Dizayohlala at a restaurant and just get breakfast and chill. Oh, namhlanje ke bendibola a steak. But again, not in the mood to go on a solo date, so I'm not getting as a steak this funayo. And one thing that sucks is that akho car wash endiyaziyo kula area eating a steak, a salt, a Richmond Hill. Akho car wash endiyaziyo that side, so andikwazi nothi ndizasifumana ngomso then say car wash. I don't know, but I'll see what to do tomorrow. I think let me also just vlog tomorrow and then I'll post this vlog a bit later tomorrow. Let me do that. So I think for today we're done. See you guys tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. Yeah, let me just finish this weekend.
Baby, I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, and my body. I
nice and early for church. Nice and early. Saze sakwazi ukuvukela inkomo. Love it for me. Le kona ndihleli kungathi ndihleli esikhoqweni. Tavern. And aesthetics are on 0, but I'm here for the food. I hope it tastes good. I love the sauce. I don't know what the spring sauce is. I love it so much. I hope it tastes good. I hope it was worth the price. Otherwise. That's cute. Oh, Molweni, my loves. I am back at home. And I said, I'm back at home, so it'll be quick in and out. The outing that I had, I just really wanted a steak. Got it, but not satisfying. It wasn't very nice. It wasn't nice at all. Actually, it wasn't nice at all. I didn't enjoy it, but again, because I was hungry and good protein. And the money at the end of the day, so but I didn't enjoy it. So I had no plans of staying payana and relax because also la restaurant it looks nice and what I call on quick in and out. So I'm back at home now. I need to quickly wash a wig. I need to wash a wig and then I'm gonna let it dry outside while I take a nap. So I'm gonna remove my makeup. I wore makeup to church today. I usually don't wear makeup to church, only because it's not for any spiritual reasons, only because so I don't wear makeup. But today I wore makeup because my skin doesn't look good, so I just wanted to cover up. Not too much. So I'm gonna remove this makeup, week, and then dithathe a nap because I'm feeling tired and I woke up too early today. I woke up around 5:30. Then but body clock. So yeah, I'm gonna nap. Tomorrow is back to work. I need to finish editing this vlog and post it kwanamhlanje. So molweni. Molweni. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you are having a lovely Sunday. I hope this Sunday is easy, light, and you are reminded of the goodness of God. And yeah, I'm trying to go in a big about how whenever you are feeling anxious or depressed, therapists usually say bamba something that is solid so that you can what's that word? I forgot it. So that you can ground yourself or control your emotions. And then there's a Masutika Kutwa, he is our rock, our solid rock. So kwathiwa ke ngokubana whenever you feel like you're anxious, depressed, or just going through so much, run to God, who is our rock. Bambe that rock, so that you can compose yourself and your emotions and just ground yourself. So may we all ground ourselves in God. If God is who you believe in, ground yourself in Him and just trust that He is always with us. Sometimes it may not seem like it, sometimes it may not look like it or sound like it, but He's always there. Uyatsho naye encwadini yakhe uba I will never leave you nor forsake you. So may you be reminded that God will never leave you nor forsake you, and kuzawulunga. If akulunganga ngoku, then it's not the end. Kusezawulunga. So yeah guys, love you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys on my next vlogging vlog. Energy is down because I really need to nap. I'm tired and it's back to work tomorrow. So love you so much. Bye.